There's some respiration? Yeah, right there. All right. That's what you got. Something called ATP. ATP. It's a song about ATP. Let's see the snack. In high school, I was confused by oxidation of food. It seemed too complex, and I call it having confused. But it's a simple concept, so now I'm in the mood for learning how I'm burning glucose with the food. So I want to live just for myself, like energy. Take the bonds and the sugar, break it down to ATP. Take 10 enzymes, take 10 steps, wind up pyruvate, yeah, so got energy left. So mitochondria can take in the burn. The down to receive the poison, don't turn. So the energy you give it in that blueberries is fixed with high energy electrons and carrots. Hate it, love it, like all the gon' chop. You goes down and you receive like, go ahead, study me. I make ATP, and I'ma be on your text, so you should get to know me. And if you got enough oxygen in stock, it's gon' cycle over into my home shop. Go ahead, study me. I make ATP, I'm making NADH, so you should get to know DHT hydro. In the membrane of the mitochondria, using NADH to get the pump protons next to electrons, which we transport so important that we gotta switch it to the next song. ATP supply, bro, electrons to the next one. Somebody synthesize some ATPs. Inefficient output, but the energy that you lose more routines. And if the E minuses move down the chain, and things are rumbling. ATP can be eyes by the coupling. So when the electrons get past the noxy and help do their work, they lose a little oxy. So by the end, you're gonna be oxy. You're removing E, keep it rolling like Yahtzee. Grab it, make it CO2, oxy-oxidase. Why you think they can't tell you the respiration? Going out, you can make it with your piece. Oxygen, tell you electrons to the next one. Why you want to take a breathe? Somebody synthesize some ATP. So all you kids think, what's the point of all these? Crazy steps, what the left, making it easy. Why you gotta go from blue to purple, from cocaine? Shoot, why do you think we need to breathe? Well, it's take our phosphate food. It's hard to tell, but the cell we was truly eating cutie. The judge is crucial. So the energy, medicine moving. That is to say, it's cool for your brain and your muscles and your muscles. So you say, so when you take your well, take a test about your flow. Remember how you make ATP, how did you go? You go chop, you goes down into UBC blocks. Study me, I make ATP. And if you eat a marina, then you can get to know me. You get oxygen in stock, turn your cycle. The hot stop, because study me. I make ATP, and I'ma be on your test, so get to know me. We got one more for you. You guys know what to do with this song, right? Tell me what's in now. Tell me what's in now. Cells, cars, genes, cells, seals, plants, chromosomes. Tell me what's in now. Tell me what's in now. Tell me what's it now. Tell me what's it now. Cells, cars, genes, cells, seals, plants, chromosomes. Scientists get data and graph them. Theories are formed based on observation. Take me to the cell. Nucleus, protein, lines are organized. Mitochondria is a drill making ATP. Fluoroplasticity, we be flipping that sunlight industry. Making that glucose you need. The nucleus is full of our DNA now, replicating and making proteins go wild. Till now, sperm and eggs ain't different, they're gametes. All the mother cells are somatic, but you need these nerves in the brain send the signals to your tongue when you get a cut and an antibody cell. Tell me what's in now. 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 Cells, cars, genes, cells, chromosomes. Tell me what's in now. Tell me what's in now. Tell me what's in now. Ooh, tell me what's enough.